Alright, so I'm going to do number 6 for you. It looks like it's the toughest one. And I think that should show you guys what I expect of you. So, number 6, here we go. It says, a bus travels 280 kilometers south along a straight path with an average velocity of 88 kilometers per hour to the south. Bus stops for 24 minutes, then it travels 210 kilometers south with an average velocity of 75 kilometers per hour to the south. How long does the total trip last? Alright, so everything's in kilometers and hours. So I'm going to keep it that way, because it seems to work. Let's see, so 280, and it gives us an average velocity, and then 210, and gives us an average velocity. How long does the total trip last? So we need to figure out, you're going 280 kilometers, divide that by 88 kilometers per hour. How long is that going to take? I grab my calculator. 280 divided by 88. Okay, so this is going to take us 3.18 hours. So far, so good. Then 210 kilometers. Divide that by 75 kilometers per hour. If you can't remember whether to multiply or divide, if you take kilometers and you divide it by kilometers per hour, alright, you have this fraction is going to work out such that kilometers cancel and you're just left with hours, which is what we want. So it's all in the units. So 210 divided by 75, 2.8 hours. And how long are we sitting? We're resting for 24 minutes. Let's see, 24 minutes. Divide that by 60. And that'll tell us how many hours that is. 24 minutes is less than an hour, so expect a decimal. That's 0.4 hours. So we add all these up, and that gives us our total trip time. 3.18 plus 2.8 plus 0.4, 6.38 hours. 6.38 hours. That's how long it takes. Total time. So that's the answer to part 1. Part 2 says, what's the average velocity for the total trip? So for average velocity, you're going to need to use your total time and your total distance. So let's see how far it went. It went 280 and then 210. So it'd be 280 plus 210 divided by the total time, which is 6.38. Now this is in kilometers and that's in hours, so our answer is going to be kilometers per hour. 280 plus 210. Divide that by 6.38. And I get 77 kilometers per hour. I rounded that. It was 76.8, but close enough to 77. So that's the answer to part 2. It's all just checking your units.